Magnolia, formerly San Miguel Beer. It's a red ball as Adriano misses both free throws. Look at Andaya. And Andaya almost makes it. Andaya playing against former team, Walk and Text. Patuloy ang action dito. Andaya with a outside 3-point of Taulava. Nowhere to go. Rebound para kay Serino Cruz. Naghahabol ang Red Bull dito sa second quarter. Partner, that was great defense by Andaya. Wow! Andaya scores! Yes! Andaya scores! And did you see the defense that Andaya played against Asi Taulava kanina, no? Number one, he stopped Taulava from putting the ball on the floor. And forced him to take the outside shot. And Andaya scoring in transition! Nakakuha pa siya ng foul. Galing kay Asi. Hindi lang pumasok yung free throw. Kasi Andaya naka-jersey number 44. Agent X44. Mark Andaya. And I tell you, Mark Andaya has been the spark here. Without a doubt. Forget Mark the Spark Nagila. What about Mark the Spark Andaya? He is the man of the moment. Red Bull Barako. There he is. Agent X44. Dating Letran Knight at dating Talking Text phone pal. Well, he has a point to 21 Express. Galing nga siya dito sa Talking. Ang bola, Yancy fires. Kaya na naman. Natapik ang bola para kay Serino Cruz. Playback, fires. Andaya with an offensive rebound. And now Andaya wants a clear out.
Sa mga ugat ni Coach Yengyao, habang pinagsisigawan niya sa squad niya na huwag matakot umatake, magpakita daw ng puso. Obviously, Serino Cruz really took that to heart. Back to Lumiko.
Well, yan ang pinapakita ni Agent X44. Mark Andaya showing heart, showing intensity, and also showing disappointment dahil tinawagan siya ngayon ng personal foul. Look at this, the man of the moment. And getting the offensive rebound and throwing it high off the glass. Now, kanina natawagan off against Don Aliado. That had nothing to do with the ball in play. And now Andaya is saying it's a conspiracy theory. Right? Somebody's out to get me. Back-to-back foul. 10 points ang kailangan na bulin ng Red Bull. Look at that pass. Yan ang trabaho ni Cyrus Bagito. Always in ng foul. Sino ba ang pagtapat sa mga Goliath? Wala kayo pa kundi si Agent X44, Mark Andaya. He has been a spark off the bench para sa Red Bull. Kaya lang, naghahabol pa sila rito ng 6 points.